Hey guys, welcome back to the channel. So I'll be doing this hairstyle with this Brazilian wool right here. So I just roll that out and cut to my desired length. So this is the pattern that I'll be using for this twist. For the front section, I have this slanted part instead of the regular straight part. And then I have individual rows on each side of the section in front. And for the back, I have this box braid patterns at the back. So I'll be starting at the back with some individual jumbo twist, which I started with a braid and transition into a twist. And once I get to my desired length, I just tie a knot to secure the twist, and that is that for the back. Once I get to the front, that is where the fitting will be. Guys, I have never tried fitting braids on myself by myself. So this is literally the first time on or off camera that I am trying this style, and I am really hoping it comes out well because my cornrows never really come out well. So that is why I never tried the style by myself, but let's see how that goes. So one thing I failed to mention is that when I transition to a twist, I do some tight twist until my entire natural hair is covered, and then I move on to do the rest loose twist. Not like super loose, but if you do want yours fluffier than mine, you can make the twist very loose. So this is what I have by the time I was done with the entire back section. And now to the elephant in the room. Guys, I was literally scared that I was going to have an epic feel with the style because I have never even tried it off camera to see how it's going to look. I just took the leap of faith and, I surprised myself kind of. So keep watching to see how I do my fitting braids.
Even when you feel low, you can still go. Even when you feel slow, you can still go. Even when there's no hope, you can still go. I never answer to no, man, I still go. Go, 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 yeah, go, go, go. Hustle hard, hustle every single day. I'll be making moves till I'm buried in my grave. To the system, I don't wanna be a slave. I've been doing shit my way, or the highway. And in the driveway is a nice range. Cause I grind through the climb, I invite pain. You'll never hear me, bitch, nah, I don't complain. Just gotta flip the switch and you can go and obtain anything you want, anything you need. Your mind's got the key ingredient, it's belief. They deceive with the negativity, but I just slide right by that energy. Even when you feel low, you can still go. Even when you feel slow, you can still go. Even when there's no hope, you can still go. I never answer to no, man, I still go. Go, 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 go. Go, You got a mind, but even that could change. You could flip the gray matter like some batter in your brain. That's why I say, fake it till you make it A. And if you play that game, then you just might make a change. Rearrange all the bad to okay.
So guys, as you can see, the struggle is real. I started out with feeding in 2 wool at a time, and then I decided to try 1 at a time, and I think I did prefer the results that I got with this, so I did the rest with just feeding in 1 wool at a time. Now once I'm done with the feeding part, I also add like some wool before twisting the hair all the way down, just like so, just so I could get the same volume of twist that I have with the back section. Okay.
Even when you feel low, you can still go. Even when you feel slow, you can still go. Even when there's no hope, you can still go. I never answer to no, man, I still go. Go, 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 yeah, go, go, go.
So now that I am done with the entire braids and the twist, I cut off the end. All that is left at the end, I cut it off. You can burn yours if you want, but I hate the smell and I hate how rough this is on the skin and the clothes as well. So once I'm done with this, guys, I just do my makeup, lay my edges, and that is literally it. Right here, I'm just applying some mousse just to keep everything together. Just like that, I conquer the fact that I cannot do feeding braids on myself by myself, and I cannot tell you how impressed I am with this. And this is the finished look after adding just a little bit of accessories. So this is a beautiful, cute and affordable hairstyle that you can try, especially now that prices of things has gone up to over 150 to 200% in Nigeria. Please subscribe to the channel if you haven't. Give me a thumbs up for more engagement. Comment down below if you think that I did good with this style as a first timer. And don't forget to turn your post notification bell for more videos like this. See you guys on my next one. Have an amazing day. Bye guys.